In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interactive maps to Google Sheet. If you want a simple way to turn location-based data into something visual and easy to understand, Google Sheets has a built-in map chart feature that works really well. It's especially useful when you are working with information tied to places, like countries, states, or regions, and you want to compare values such as sales, population, or performance. To get started, create two columns in your sheet. In the first column, enter the location names. These can be countries, U.S. states, or other geographic areas that Google Sheets can recognize. In the second column, enter the numeric data that belongs to each location. For example, you might have one column with country names and another with total sales. Make sure the location names are spelled clearly and consistently, because the map chart depends on matching those names correctly. If a place name is unclear or abbreviated in a way Google Sheets doesn't understand, it may not appear properly on the map. Once your data is ready, select the full data range including both columns. Then go up to the top menu, click Insert, and choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart for you, although it may not choose a map right away. That's completely normal. Next, look over to the Chart Editor panel on the right side of the screen. In the Chart Type dropdown, scroll all the way down until you find the map options. You'll see two main choices. The first is GeoChart, which highlights entire regions. This is a great option if you want to shade countries or states based on their values. The second is GeoChart with markers, which places dots on the map instead. That can be helpful when you want a more pinpoint style visual, rather than filling in full areas. After selecting the map type you want, go to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. This is where you can adjust how the map looks and behaves. You can change the region focus if you want to zoom in on a specific part of the world, like Europe. Instead of showing a full global view, you can also modify the color range to make your values easier to interpret. Choosing a clear gradient can help viewers quickly spot high and low numbers. Once everything looks right, your interactive map is ready to use. It's a fast and effective way to make your spreadsheet data much more visual, especially for reports, dashboards, or presentations.